Ready to build your first SwiftUI app? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step, from creating a new Xcode project to running your app in the simulator. No experience needed. Follow along and code with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a working welcome card app. We'll use VStack to lay out views vertically, add text and an SF symbol image, create a button that changes when you tap it using state, and run everything in the simulator. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new project. Open Xcode and choose Create New Project. Select iOS, then App. Set interface to SwiftUI and language to Swift. Name your project Welcome Card. Pick a team if you have one, and click Create. Xcode opens with a content view file ready to edit. Step 2. Build the layout with VStack. VStack stacks views vertically. Inside it, add a text view with your greeting. Use font large title and font weight bold to make it stand out. Every SwiftUI screen starts with a stack like this. Step 3. Add an image. SwiftUI has thousands of free icons called SF symbols. Use image with system name Swift for the Swift logo. Set the font size to 80 and foreground style to orange. Drop this inside your VStack below the text. Step 4. Make it interactive with state and button. Add a state variable called count, starting at 0. Create a button that shows the count and increments it on each tap. Use button style bordered prominent for a nice blue button. State is how SwiftUI knows to redraw the screen when data changes. Step 5. Polish the design. Wrap your VStack with padding for breathing room. Add a background with ultra-thin material for a frosted glass look. Use clip shape with rounded rectangle for rounded corners. Watch the preview canvas on the right. It updates live as you type. That's one of SwiftUI's biggest advantages over UIKit. Step 6. Run your app. Select an iPhone simulator from the device menu at the top. Press Cmd R. Xcode builds your project and launches it in the simulator. Tap your button and watch the count increase. Congratulations, you just built and ran your first SwiftUI app. Quick recap. VStack and HStack are your layout building blocks. State makes your UI reactive. When data changes, the screen updates automatically. SF symbols give you thousands of free icons. And Command R builds and runs your app anytime. Save this video and build along step by step. Your next step. Open Xcode right now and build this welcome card app. Don't just watch, type the code yourself. Subscribe for SwiftUI tutorial number 2, where we'll add navigation and multiple screens. Comment below, what app do you want to build first?